Hi everyone, it's Krupa, Pediatric OT and Product Specialist with Birch Learning. In this video, we're going to take a look at the content library. So this is what your Verge dashboard looks like. I am signed in from an admin account. If you see the content library tab right here on the top, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And what you see here is three different tabs which say My Library, My Organization Library, and the Verge Library. So in My Library, it is the PDFs, the worksheets, the web apps, or any other learning materials that I have purchased or that I have created on my own and uploaded from my personal computer. Under my organization library, you'll be able to see anything that a staff member or a coworker from your organization may have created and may want to share with the entire organization. Or it could be something that the admin has purchased the license for and wants to share with everybody in the organization. And under Verge Library, what you'll see are the learning materials that are provided to you courtesy of Verge. As you can see, there's a bunch of materials right here, worksheets, games, videos, and web apps as well. To the left-hand side right here, you can see that the content type is categorized by my favorites, learning materials, videos, and web apps. At this point, there's over 100 learning materials and web apps and a few videos. If you look at the learning materials right here, at the top right corner, you'll be able to see a heart symbol. Now, if I want to search for something, I'm going to search over here by keyword. I want to find the hidden objects worksheets, and I see them pop up right here. I'm going to click on these two hearts, which will make these appear in my favorites tab. So as you can see, the number by my favorites is now 2. These activities can also be categorized by age. So if you see these different age groups right here, early childhood, primary, elementary, middle school, you can see the number of activities that are sorted by age group, which makes it easier to search and filter. And then if you hit domain, these are the different domains that you can work on: speech and communication, physical development and health, language art, mathematics, and so on. If you hit on student roster and go to the profile of one particular student, right here, I click on Krupa Student 1 and I see the content library right here at the bottom. I'm going to click on that. And I see that there are 2 assigned activities to the student at the moment. If I want to go ahead and assign more activities, what I'm going to do is click on Library and scroll down to Learning Materials. And here are my learning materials. I am going to select, I see that I already have 2 assigned activities right here with a check mark at the top right corner. I'm going to click on one more and then go to the top right corner and hit Update Content. So the selected activities have been updated and are now in that particular student's content library. Thank you for watching.